Let's create the ultimate avocado toast. Simple, satisfying, and endlessly customizable. This recipe hinges on ripe avocados and bold seasoning for maximum flavor. Get ready for a taste sensation. First, grab your favorite bread. Sourdough, whole wheat, anything goes. Now, carefully place a slice into the toaster and toast it to golden perfection. Keep a close eye, nobody likes burnt toast. While the toast is toasting, let's prep our star ingredient, the avocado. Using a knife, carefully slice the avocado in half. Remember to work slowly and be mindful of the pit. Now for the pit. The easiest way to remove it is to gently tap it with your knife blade. It should pop right out. Please be extra careful not to cut yourself. Scoop that gorgeous avocado flesh into a small bowl. Now, grab a fork and mash it to your desired consistency. Chunky or smooth, the choice is yours. Time to add a flavor explosion. Generously season the mashed avocado with salt, pepper, and a pinch of red pepper flakes. Don't be shy, bold seasoning is key. Drizzle half of your best olive oil over the mashed avocado. This adds a luxurious richness and helps all those delicious flavors meld together. Mix it well. Once your toast is perfectly golden, spread the avocado mixture evenly across the surface. Then, drizzle the remaining olive oil over the top for extra decadence. Almost there. For the ultimate flavor boost, sprinkle generously with everything bagel seasoning. That savory kick takes this avocado toast to another level. Prepare to be amazed. And that's it. Your perfect avocado toast is ready to devour. Experiment with different seasonings and enjoy. Ripe avocados and bold seasoning are your keys to success. Ready to give it a try?